ratlook bumpers to go with a ratlook car. Been at my workshop for a few years. Get them inside the garage in a minute, do some repairs. Let's take a look. Them on. Well, they're not fitting that good. So I'm going to undo the brackets, straighten them out. See you all in here, look. Cut all that away, bend it all in, and we'll see what's what. Cool though. Got the ratty bumpers in the garage. We'll spray a little bit more WD on the bolts. These either snap. Look at the state of them. Yeah, they're good. They snap, I reckon. Let's just see if he turns. Better get him off there. Wowee. Wowee, that one's coming down. 1 out of 4. Go on, bye. Come on for Coco. Just hope it's not just spinning. Wow, that's what I'm doing. Wow. Unbelievable. I'm going to take these bolts out, wire wheel, got new nuts to go on. Oh, I've got a pair of these at my unit, but I'm going to clean these up and reuse. Alright, so we're getting a look on the other side. Also doing the front bumper, but I'm going to keep these bumpers as a patina. Be different if they're for the bare metal bugs, they'd be all nice and shiny. But the patina bugs are having these, so let's have a go away. 30mm nuts. Wow, nice. Oh wow, he was already undone. No way is it 4 for 4. How bent that one is. What I'm doing, guys. That's crazy. That is absolute wow. that just spinning? Yeah, he's just spinning. And we'll get that one off then. So we're done. Yeah, just spinning. Right, bring it back when I'll get that one off. Mo grips, old and easy does it. Just ow, it's coming off. Yeah, he's undoing. Come on, boy. He's just spinning. It's stuck on. Now the whole thread's spinning. Right, got the last bumper bolt out. There's that one there. What happened? The bolt was just spinning in the alley head. So I managed to bash him down a little bit. Thread was a bit battered, but the screw goes up lovely jubbly. Get rid of all the hard wear. I'd have cut the nut off with a Dremel. Now let's work on fixing these up. Right, this next clip, I've done a bit of time lapse. I'm sorting out the bumper irons, the old rusty ones. So enjoy the music, and thanks for watching. Right, as you've seen, pounding away, put it in some sort of shape, done some welding, had to cut and re-weld the bracket there. That's straight, also put some welds in there. There you go. Just give them a quick paint and that's one side done. Then it's the worst one. I'll split the two ends, weld them together, add a piece on the end there, and that'll be good to go. Let's give it a quick spray paint. Just not protect it, but ratlook bumper, happy days. Right. Oof. I didn't film me fixing this up. I've got to turn the phone on. But this is the worst one out of the two. Bang on. Bang on. What I had to do was cut it in half. Cut along here like I did on the first one. All I've got to do now is put another piece there to make that bit a little bit stronger. Welded right along the seam where there's little gaps there, but that one's more solid than that. All in all, see all the welding. This was a broken bit, so quickly make a plate up. Job's a good one. See the lines up. I was still hot. Bang on. You can see. Bang on with the hose. So, perfect. Ratty bumper. Not going to get painted. Fixed up the bumper irons. Yeah, I've got a pair of these at the unit. But, solid. So I've done the bolts and I'll show you when it's all been put together. Following day, I made the bumper irons. As you've seen from the start, there's rust all the way down through. The metal is that thick. But I ain't tried to fit them yet. There's that one. Happy days. Right, got the hardware. Let's see if it all lines up. Fingers crossed. Right, start with that side. Thin washer, lock washer. Let's see what else. Right, here we go. Sweet. Took a good 3 hours sorting out these bumper mounts, but well worth it. Cleaned up all the hardware. Oh, he's turning up beautiful. Right. Switch it around. That's 1 for 1. The hardware in first. Yes, sir. Oh, yes, sir. Wow. Wowee. These were chuck away jobbies, but no. Fixed it, welded. The second one was a pain in the butt. Right. They're just hand tight. But you can see how easy the nut goes on after the cleaning. Right, bring you outside after tightening them up and see how well they fit. Right, got the bumper, all the mounts. Just see if he fits. I won't bolt them. Oh, perfect. I won't bolt them in. Right, have a look at the front. That is perfect. I'll show you it with the lights on. Are you okay?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
I saved them bumpers from scrapyard. My scrapyard. Look how cool. Now the fronts. Take a look at the fronts. Even the lights work. Right. This is even rattier bumper. I've got a plan for this bit, so forget about that. But here, you can see from inside, the bumper bolts through the front apron. So I'm going to make some slots in the apron, and they bolt inside here. Look, 2 bolt holes there, either side, and that's the bumper. Look, ratty bumper for a ratty car. I've got a plan for this tomorrow, so next few days, mount that. Whoa. Overall, took about 4 hours to do, but look at the results. These bumper irons were knackered. You see how rusty they were? I even fixed one of the mounts there because it was spinning. But look how cool that looks with the bumpers. It's getting there. Alright. Thanks for watching.